cute little guy. You're gonna be nice and clean by the time I'm done with you, buddy.
Garrett, what are you doing in here?
Are we filming today?
Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing a website review today. And real quick, if you want your website reviewed and me to personally look at it and audit it and give you feedback, just leave a comment below and a link to your website, and we'll be able to do an audit for you sometime. But also make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the marketing hacks and tricks and things that we do. Let's get started. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, so a little background about this product. We actually found it and used it for a commercial we shot for one of our clients, and it's just weird. It's weird. But let's dive into it, because even though it's a weird product, and I don't want to say weird, a product that is unique, I would never use it. They actually have some decent aspects of their website that I think are worth pointing out. First things first, let's focus on the things that they need to change and things that then we'll go into some of the things that they've done really well that I wish more businesses actually applied to their own marketing. So this is, I'm showing this to you on my web, on like just a laptop, and you can see here that this is just a picture. Like this whole thing's a picture, but it doesn't mobile optimize well, and it doesn't optimize well for a computer. This is obviously like a much older website, and this, like having these white bars on the side, that's just a sign that it's really old and they haven't changed it in a long time. I would say that this copy at the very beginning, right here, lick your cat like a cat, is not good copy. And the reason being is because unless you understand why you should be licking your cat, that doesn't persuade you to buy the product. Now, I did a review of this, and so if you scroll down, it actually starts talking about cats groom each other for the form of social bonding, and its evidence suggests that cats view their humans as captors, as large cats. As a human, you're left out of the intimate licking ritual. At best, it's a one-sided licking relationship with your cat. And then we've designed the Licki brush to bring you and your cat closer. By using Licki, your cat with your cat on a regular basis, you'll develop more intimate and bonding relationships, much like mama cats bond with her young. So they just now educated everyone on why people should be licking their cats. Now, personally, I don't like cats. If you're a cat person, that's great. I can't stand any animal. But I'm still just shocked that this is like a product. It's still just blowing my mind. I've seen this 100 times. I still just can't get over it. But okay, focusing on the principles of the marketing and not the product itself, this is an example of if your product needs a little bit of education, you need to educate people and do it earlier rather than later, because this first section here is going to be the most important. So if they start with something along develop, like right here, it says, develop more intimate and bonded relationship with your cat. Like some people will relate to that because cats can be standoffish. People want to be close to their pets and everything and have that relationship. And so if that's the ad copy or the copy on the website, oh, I want that. And then go into this section here where it's, this is cat grooming is social bonding, and actually your cat views you as just a larger cat. And if you're not having that bonding experience, that can be why your cat and you aren't as close as you want it to be. And then dive into what the product is. Yeah, the problem that they're solving is a lack of closeness with someone's pet. I mean, you could say this is like a form of couples therapy. But it's the same concept. Like if you're selling a product that can help you and your spouse get closer together, you don't start off with the product. You say, hey, if you're not feeling as close with your spouse, that can cause problems. So here's product A, B, C, and D. So that's the problem that they're trying to solve, though, is a lack of closeness with your pet. So people who have that problem are looking for a solution for that. So they presented the product before they really called out the problem that they're solving and the solution to it and how it works. So then that's where you'd introduce the Licki. And then it goes through, they actually have a great job with like feature and benefits. Feature benefit, you want to talk about the feature of the product and how it's a benefit because, again, people don't buy products. They buy solutions to their problems. And so they talk about, it's meditative practice soothing for both you and your feline. So it's meditative and it's good for both of you. You bond with your cat. You're having fun with your pet. And so that's where like they do actually have great sales copy. And again, something that I want to point out that they've done well is most companies, they have the Amazon experience, right? Where the product page is a picture of the product, the title, the price, and a description, where that's just not following the sales process. You should always have the price point be the very last thing people see because you have to sell them before you tell them the price. And they've done this well. Like I still don't know how expensive this product is. But they're going through and selling, theoretically they're selling people on it. I'm not being sold on it, but I'm not their ideal customer. I don't like cats. I'm allergic to them. So they're going through this, and again, they jump into even more education and then have this wall of fame, which I'm afraid to click on. Let's click on it. Oh, it just takes you to Amazon. That's broken. Yeah, it's on Amazon. That should be taking not to. I actually clicked on that. That changed it. That must have changed recently. But again, so there's a link that takes people to Amazon. That's going to hurt your conversion rate if you ever take people from your website to Amazon. Just bottom line. It's always going to hurt your website conversion rate. Okay, then they have social proof where they get, they were on the Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon. I would love to look that up. They were with PETA, Daily Mail, The Bored Panda, Live Kelly, Jimmy Kimmel Live. And so they were on, they're just showing like, hey, this is not just a gimmicky product. Like, we've been featured, probably to be made fun of, but they were featured. So, and then it drops down to here, get the Licki for $21 into your friend's needs. Yeah, either you or your friend needs this. Okay, so this is what's really interesting is, again, they wait till the very end after they've sold people on the product. To a degree, if they switch that first section out, there's a lot of, really great principles of marketing that they follow here that can help them be very successful. Now, let's just follow the path, right? Again, now it's just taking everything to Amazon. That's new. I literally just looked at this the other day, and it was like taking people to a checkout page. That's interesting. Yeah, everything's just taking people to Amazon. That's new. Those changed literally. Okay. Yeah. This is yeah, that's really weird. This is a whole new. They're taking everybody to Amazon now. Well, it's just yeah, every button takes you to Amazon. Hopefully they didn't get hacked or something. Press. There's a Licki music video. Oh, it's taking you to Amazon. Let's just see. Yeah. Everything is taking you to Amazon. I don't even think their website. They're just redirecting everything to Amazon. So, about this product, just to give it a thumbs up. As a product itself, if they came to me and was like, hey, can you advertise my product? We only take on products that we really believe in. So I'd probably turn them down. But for a website and following the principles of marketing that help websites really convert well, I'd say they're 90% of the way there, besides the whole taking everyone to Amazon thing. Surprisingly, I would give this website a thumbs up because I only need to change a couple things and it's ready to go. Obviously, there's some design and aspects that need to be changed, but from a sales standpoint, it does a good job of following the principles that are really great for selling products. I still don't want the product though. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you comment below if you would like your company's website audited, your business product, whatever, audited. We can do it here on YouTube so you can get actionable feedback to help your business grow. And also make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of our digital marketing tips, tricks, and hacks and entrepreneurial advice. See you next time.
That's a stupid sheet. Sheet.
We got it on film too.